Alright, on this one I decided I'm going to open these three. I was just going to open these two because I like them. They look really cool. But then I grabbed a few of these tonight. Figured I'd open one of these. So we'll just get into it. Yes, I have a pink nail. My little girl painted my pinky nail for me. I mean, my thumbnail for me a little over a week ago. And like I tell everybody, I was waiting 3 years on that. So I'm going to wear it till it wears off. I at least got to trim it, make it look a little better. But she really didn't do that bad of a job. Alright, well, here's the little Bree Dotson truck. I know they say there's some that has the red Dotson logo. I haven't got one of those yet. I think all the ones I've wound up with has the black logo. It's a pretty nice little truck if you're into them. Not really my thing. I just grabbed them because other people like them. So I either trade them or auction them off or something. So, pretty neat. But these I thought were cool. And the little chrome thing that comes with them sucks. So, I want to bust them open and see how they look out of the pack. Oh, and even spin, look at that. Huh. I'm going to bust them both open and set them down. And then we'll look at them. As you can tell, it looks like that one was based off an old Ford truck. It looks kind of like this one was based off a Chevrolet. The way that is. But I don't know. So the copper cart. Probably hear my little girl in the background. But look. Custom. Got the pearl white paint. The copper cart. Got the custom bumper. The way the bed goes down. Got the stripes over. There's really a lot of detail in these. Got the crazy ass exhaust. Got 3 pipes at the end. Crazy looking front bumper and all the lights. Interior's all white. Floorboards. Got the copper in there with the white, the pearl white and the metallic copper. It's really a cool looking truck. Just way out there. I say it's George Barris, or what's his name? Yeah, George Barris. So you know they're wild. He does them wild ass cars and trucks. I don't know if I keep this thing. I'll probably just put it up in the case. And then we got the Wildcat. I say I'm not a damn genius, but to me, which it may be a Ford there, but I feel like this is based off a Ford and that was maybe based off a Chevrolet. It's got a cool metallic paint, got the gold on it. The louvers in the hood. I don't really like the grill, but if it was chrome, I guess, like in the real car, it'd be pretty nice. Got the pinstriping if it'll focus. Pinstriping all through there. And this, I don't know if you call them scallops or just whatever's going on with all the paint. There's a pinstriping in the back, and the crazy little back bumper, and your back cover. Trying to see the inside. That's pretty cool. Pretty neat. So there they are in all their glory. A little 3-pack of trucks. Let's see, I don't have anything around me to bring up. I got this old Ford truck I can bring up here. I love mud. Pavement hater. Got a little chip on the door there. Who makes this? Let's see. WKW 2000 1624 F-150. But anyways, there's random stuff laying around. Truck wise, I guess I don't know what I have. All the rest of these are cars. Alright, I just wanted a little video showing these cool trucks I kept. Thanks for watching. Later.